Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. How you can reorder your applications on your Android smart TV. So watch this video till the end and we will find out. So the first thing is that you need to press the home button on your remote. Once you press that one, press it one more time and it will bring you here. Here, as you can see, for you, and then apps. So all you need to do is to go down where you will find your apps. So you need to go all the way to the right. Suppose I want Spotify to be on the 4th or 5th place, but it is right to the extreme right of the application. So all I need to do is to tap on reorder. So once you tap on reorder, you need to come back to Spotify. Just tap one time, just press OK one time. Once you do so, as you can see now, Spotify has been selected. So now I can bring it all the way by pressing the left arrow on the remote. I can bring it all the way here. As you can see, I can even put it on the first place. So I will just want to put it here and then press OK again. And now, as you can see, I bring Spotify here, right here. So you can reorder all your application on your Android smart TV or any smart TV using this method. You can just select the application after pressing the reorder, and then you can bring it either to the left or the right of the screen. So once you're done, just go down to the done and just tap on done. And now, as you can see in the list, Spotify is on the 5th place. So guys, this is how you can reorder your application on your Android smart TV. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.